Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Prizepicks mobile app. Prizepicks is a fantasy sports platform that allows users to play daily fantasy games and win real cash prizes. To get started, first download and install the Prizepicks mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating an account, you will be prompted to make a deposit to start playing. Prizepicks offers various deposit options, including credit cards, PayPal, and other payment methods. Once you have made a deposit, you can start browsing the available games and contests. To play, select the sport and game you want to participate in, such as NFL, NBA, or MLB. Then, choose the type of contest you want to enter, such as a head-to-head matchup or a large tournament. Next, select the players you want to include in your lineup, and set the amount you want to wager. One of the unique features of Prizepicks is the ability to play fantasy games in a pick'em style format, where you can pick over or under on a player's projected stats. For example, you can pick over on a quarterback's passing yards or under on a basketball player's points scored. To make a pick, simply tap on the player's name and select the over or under option. You can also adjust the amount you want to wager on each pick. Once you have made all your picks, submit your entry and wait for the results. It's also important to note that Prizepicks offers a range of tools and resources to help you make informed decisions, including player stats, news, and expert advice. You can also track your performance and earnings in the app, and withdraw your winnings at any time. Some best practices to keep in mind when using the Prizepicks mobile app include setting a budget and sticking to it, doing your research on players and teams, and diversifying your picks to minimize risk. By following these tips and using the app effectively, you can have a fun and rewarding experience playing fantasy sports with Prizepicks.